Hey, this is Miss Morrison. Sorry about that last videos. I got scared. Somebody walked in and it freaked me out. So I had to stop. Okay. To talk to them. All right, so we converted 90 degrees to pi over 2. Oh, my bad. This is for lesson 2, and I think it's the second video because I got interrupted. My bad. Okay, so we multiplied by pi over 180, and the reason you do that is because you want the little degree symbol to cancel out. So you have to put that degrees on the bottom. If I was going backwards and I wanted degrees, then I would multiply by 180 over pi. Okay, so let's look at part E. We're still converting from degrees to radians, so we're going to multiply by our conversion unit. And our conversion unit is the fact that 180 degrees is pi. When I say conversion unit, I mean like, you know how 1 foot is equal to 12 inches? Yeah, that's kind of like a conversion unit. 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. So here, 1 pi is equal to 180. So that's what I mean when I say conversion unit. It just means whatever two things are equal that you're using to convert. Okay, so the two things equal that we're using to convert are pi and 180. And again, we put the 180 on the bottom, 180 on the bottom, so that those little degree symbols will cancel out. And then in our calculator, you can say 180 divided by 110 divided by 180, and then math, enter. Or you might remember back in the day, rules about zeros. You can cancel a 0 from the top and the bottom of something. So let's say I have like 3,500 and then 71,000. There's a rule of zeros that to reduce, if you want to, see how there's 2 zeros on the top and the bottom, then I can just cross them out and it becomes 35 over 71 and that other 0 on the bottom. So that's kind of what happens with this 110 and 180. The zeros can't go out, and when you press math, enter, you should get 11 over 18. And then we're going to slap a pi on that. And then to put it in the calculator, we've already shown you that, but you press 11, second, and then the caret or that circumflex symbol. Yeah, okay. That'll get you the pi, and then you say old school division button divided by 18. And that should get our decimal. Okay, let's look at F. Again, we're going to multiply by pi over 180. And then you can either try and reduce this in your face, or you can type it in your calculator. I'm just going to use the regular 54 divided by 180. Math, enter. And this gives me, that reduces to 3 over 10. And then you slap a pi on it. And because this one's negative, we're going to say it's negative. Okay, I got to stop for a minute.